slide that under the shoulder?
It's like coming in. Oh, sorry.
Down there. So how long is that?
Sorry.
Look, 145.
You tell me, you got the ruler.
Yeah. 145.
Okay, 145, beautiful.
Do you want to turn around so she can get a picture?
Okay, then let's,
Oh, it's all right. No, don't worry about it.
let's get a, make sure we got it really good.
Is that a girl bird?
No, she's right, it's 145.
145.
Yeah. Okay, okay, so get it so its wings, you're gonna keep it on its back and hold on to its 2 feet with you. No. Well, just take its 2 feet and hold them. Like so. Okay? So you got the bird up here, you got his feet down here. You got him tight? Yeah? So let's blow here and see if we can see the muscle. Okay. Blow harder. You got lots of feathers, so you gotta...
Oh, sorry.
Let the little one get in here.
Okay, so you see the keel's there and it's really coming down sharp. We would score that as a 1.
Oh,
Okay, so, and it's so heavily feathered that we're not going to be able to see the fat, so we just score the muscle as 1. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to weigh it. So first we're going to tear this.
I like the dark whiskey.
And,
Yeah, I know.
yeah, I had to drink this for the...
Of course, just in the name of science, right, Rick?
Keep going. There we go. Lovely. And the weight is?
Oh, whiskey.
128.8.
Beautiful. Okay, I'll give this to you. Get a picture of her.